These Traeger smoked jalapeno poppers with bacon and Brie cheese could be made in the oven, or you could even air fry jalapeno poppers, but I'm going to show you start to finish how to make these in the smoker. They're so freaking good. So the first thing you need to do is a little arts and crafts project here, and just remove the pith, which is that white part, kind of like inside the jalapeno popper. You got to remove that and brush out those seeds. I did kind of feel like a genius here because I used a grapefruit spoon, but however you get them out with the paring knife or whatever you have is great. And I think you got to leave those stems on for jalapeno poppers because that's how you can grab them. So just slice them in half, take out the seeds and pith, and then you're going to make this really interesting little flavor combination I have going on. So I used a piece of Black Forest ham. This is for the filling for the smoked jalapeno poppers. So I just diced up the Black Forest deli ham. You could use cooked bacon or anything else you have lying around in your fridge. And so I diced that up, and then I added some marinated red peppers, the kind that you get in the jar, just about a tablespoon or so of those, and some spices, and then mix that all together. It doesn't look like much, but this actually adds a ton of flavor and a little bit more interest to the smoked jalapeno poppers. And then in they go. So I just go ahead and fill up the jalapeno poppers with right to the level of where it's cut off with the filling, and then I put the Brie cheese on top because it's going to melt down into the jalapeno popper once it smokes on the Traeger pellet grill. So you can use toothpicks like I did here. This is actually turkey bacon, but you could use any type of bacon that you'd like. And one piece should be plenty to wrap around each jalapeno half. I love this recipe because you can really scale it up. It's a great recipe for a crowd, a really easy way to make smoked foods for a party. I think these are really delicious for a game day appetizer, and they're one of the faster smoker recipes that you could cook to share with your friends and family. So anyways, just get those all assembled, and then it's time to smoke them. But I'm going to do a little fast forward here, and I'm just going to show you really quickly this delicious, delicious sauce that I make with so many things on sipbitego, but I love this jalapeno ranch dressing. It just takes a minute to make with a blender. There is a little jalapeno in there. There's some cilantro, sour cream, spices. It's really exciting whenever I make it. My husband and I love it. You can find the recipe for the jalapeno ranch dressing at sipbitego. And also you're going to notice here that I'm adding these directly to the grill grates on the Traeger pellet grill with a little side there of some bacon wrapped onion rings. In the final like 10 minutes of these that only take about 90 minutes, but in the final like 10 or 15 minutes you can brush on some barbecue sauce to the jalapeno poppers, and it just adds a really nice flavor, and it kind of makes them like candied jalapeno poppers. They're so good. So then they just come off the grill. You want to make sure to remove the toothpicks from the smoked poppers before serving them or eating them. They're pretty much ready to eat right then. The inside is all gooey and delicious from that brie, but you could also use some cheddar cheese, or you could use cream cheese, Gruyere, Fontina, any sort of cheese that'll melt really nicely in there. I think the flavor combinations are so good with all of those melted cheese, so you can play with different flavors. And you could use turkey bacon, like I said, you could use pork bacon, anything you'd like. And these are, you're probably not going to have leftovers. We never do. We literally will make them and eat them with a salad, like just to have a little something more exciting to serve with salad for dinner. So I think you're going to really enjoy these, and you can print out the full recipe at sipbitego.com. Well, until next time, don't forget to check out some of my other smoker recipes, and I will see you here on the Sipbitego channel. Hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!